Hi guys, so today we are taking a trip to a vibrant streets of Hakka cuisine, but with a delicious, luxurious twist that's going to elevate your noodles game to the whole new level. Get ready for a flavor explosion with our incredible crab Hakka noodles. This isn't just your average noodles dish. We are talking about tender succulent crab meat perfectly infused with savory sauce, all tossed with springy Hakka noodles. Whether you are a seafood enthusiast or just looking for a truly special and unforgettable meal, this recipe is surprisingly easy to make and guaranteed to impress. So if you are ready to create some restaurant quality magic right in your own kitchen, do try this recipe. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling, cover it and allow it to boil. Then add about 4 tablespoons oil, add some salt to taste. Then add 500 grams Hakka noodles. Then cover it and cook it until the noodles are 90% cooked. So the noodles are cooked about 90% now. As you can see that the noodles are perfectly cooked now. Then simply strain the noodles. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 2 tablespoons butter. Add 5 garlic cloves chopped. Add handful of spring onion white and fry it for 2 minutes until the garlic and spring onion white is nicely cooked. Then add 300 grams crab meat. Here I have used tin crab meat. Then cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes until the water is reduced of the crabs. Then add some salt to taste. Add 4 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce, half tablespoon sugar, 2 teaspoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons sweet chili sauce, half tablespoon red chili sauce, and then fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Until the oil is nicely separated on the surface. So as you can see that the oil is nicely separated on the surface, then give it a nice mix. Then add 2 stock cubes and cook it for a minute. So the crabs are cooked and ready now. Make sure the consistency is something like this. Then simply add the cooked noodles. And add handful of spring onion green. Then give it a nice mix. So the crab Hakka noodles are ready now. And there you have it guys, our incredible restaurant quality crab Hakka noodles. Just look at that vibrant color, those perfectly cooked noodles and all that luscious crab meat. This dish is truly showstopper and the perfect blend of savory, umami and fresh flavors. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's perfect for a special dinner or when you are craving something truly extraordinary. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.